Have you ever felt your English sounds a little unnatural, like something is missing? The secret to sounding more like a native speaker might be simpler than you think. Today, we're diving into 10 phrasal verbs you need to sound natural in English conversations. Hello, everyone. I'm your host, Sarah. Welcome back to English Fluency Hacks, the channel where we give you tips and tricks to improve your English. Today, I'm very happy to have a special guest with us, Mark. Hi, Mark. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Sarah. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here and talk about one of my favorite topics, phrasal verbs.
That's great to hear. So let's start with the basics. Mark, for our listeners who might be new to this, what exactly is a phrasal verb?
Of course, a phrasal verb is a verb combined with a preposition or an adverb. This combination creates a meaning that is different from the original verb. For example, the verb give means to offer something, but give up means to quit.
Exactly, and they are super common in everyday, natural English conversation. If you want to sound less like a textbook and more like a native speaker, using them is key.
Totally. They can be tricky, but once you learn a few, you'll start to notice them everywhere. Shall we jump into our list of 10 essential phrasal verbs?
Let's do it. Okay, our number one phrasal verb is look forward to.
Look forward to means you are feeling happy and excited about something that is going to happen in the future. It's a great way to show enthusiasm and positivity. You often use it when talking about holidays, parties, or seeing people you like.
Right, it's a great way to express positive anticipation. For example, you could say, I'm really looking forward to my vacation next month. I've been planning it for ages. It adds more feeling than just saying, I'm excited. Now, let's do a quick role play so you can hear it in a natural conversation.
Okay. Hey, Sarah, are you going to the company party on Friday? I heard it's going to be a big celebration.
Yes, I am. I'm really looking forward to it. I hear there will be great music and good food.
Perfect. So that's look forward to. What's next on our list, Sarah?
Number two is a very common one. Give up.
Sure. Give up means to stop trying to do something, often because it is too difficult. It can also mean to quit a habit. For instance, the puzzle was too hard, so I gave up. Or he decided to give up smoking for his health.
That makes sense. Let's practice with a role play.
Are you still learning to play the guitar?
I tried for a few months, but my fingers just wouldn't cooperate and I wasn't making any progress, so I gave up. Okay, before we move on to our next phrasal verb, we just want to take a moment to ask for your support. If you're enjoying this episode, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content.
And if you find this helpful, please leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who want to learn English.
Yes, thank you. And please leave a comment below with any topics you'd like us to cover. Okay, let's get back to the list. Number three is turn on and its opposite, turn off.
This one is a simple one but essential. Turn on means to start a machine or a light, and turn off means to stop it. For example, can you turn on the lights? It's dark in here.
Right, let's try it out.
I'm cold. Can you please turn on the heater?
Of course. And when you leave the room, please remember to turn it off to save energy.
Got it. Simple and useful. What's number four?
Number four is find out. This means to discover a piece of information.
Like, I need to find out what time the meeting starts. You are looking for information you don't have.
Exactly. Let's do the role play.
Did you hear about the new project?
No, I didn't. I need to find out more about it. Okay, moving on to number five. Look after.
This is a nice one. Look after means to take care of someone or something. For example, I have to look after my little brother this weekend.
Let's practice. Hey, Mark, can you look after my plant while I'm on vacation?
Sure, no problem. I'll look after it for you.
Great, thanks. Number six is get along with. This is about relationships.
That's right. If you get along with someone, it means you have a friendly, positive relationship. Like, I'm lucky that I get along with all of my colleagues.
Let's hear it in a conversation. How's your new roommate?
She's great. We get along with each other really well.
That's wonderful to hear. All right, number seven is run out of. This is a very practical phrasal verb.
It is. Run out of means you have used all of something and there's none left. For example, oh no, we've run out of milk. I need to go to the store.
Okay, let's practice. Mark, can I borrow a pen?
Sorry, I can't. My pen just ran out of ink.
A perfect example. Next up, at number 8, we have pick up.
Pick up has a few meanings, but a common one is to go and get someone or something. For example, can you pick up the kids from school today? Or I need to pick up my dry cleaning.
Right. Let's do a role play for that. I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything?
Yes, actually. Could you pick up some bread for me?
Sure thing. Okay, we are almost at the end. Number 9 is come up with.
This is a great one for work or studying. Come up with means to think of an idea or a plan. For instance, we need to come up with a new marketing strategy.
Okay, let's hear it. The team meeting is tomorrow. Do you have any ideas?
Not yet. I need some time to come up with a good solution.
I understand. And finally, our 10th phrasal verb is break down.
When a machine or a vehicle breaks down, it stops working. For example, my car broke down on the way to work this morning.
Oh no, that's terrible. Let's role play it. Why were you late today?
My car broke down on the highway. I had to call for help. All right, let's recap. We started with look forward to, for when you're excited about the future, give up, which means to quit, turn on and turn off, for starting and stopping a machine, find out, when you discover information, and look after, which means to take care of something.
Exactly. After that, we had get along with, meaning to have a good relationship, run out of, for when you have nothing left, pick up, which is to collect something, come up with, for thinking of a new idea, and finally, break down, when a machine stops working.
That's a fantastic list. Don't worry about memorizing all of them at once. Try to use one or two in your conversations this week.
That's great advice. Thank you so much for joining us today, Mark. It was a pleasure to have you.
My pleasure, Sarah. It was fun.
And a big thank you to our audience for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It truly helps our channel grow and allows us to create more content for you. Thank you for following this episode to the end. Keep studying with our playlists and keep practicing. See you next time on English Fluency Hacks.